Okay, so in this video, I'm just going to show you how to make your own simple, easy DIY smudge sticks. And of course, they are popular with many cultures and even written about and investigated on places like PubMed, mainstream medical sources. So, and it's not just sage, right? So I'll show you a few different, but yeah, just use your creativity. You can use any kind of string. This is cotton twine, but you can literally use string, anything you want. And whether you leave I take the ties off after they're dry because I always start a fire with them, right? But anyways, so this is just how I make little smudge sticks, and it's not the only way, and it's not all the information obviously there is to know, but I hope you enjoy. Okay, this is just going to be a super easy smudge stick tutorial, as I only have one hand. All you need is the scissors, a string of twine, cotton twine or whatever, and your herbs. And today I picked lavender and sage. So the sage was very long, so I cut it into same size pieces and laid them on top of each other. So I'm going to, let's see, put the phone down a sec. Okay, so I got them all about the same size and all wrapped up. So I'm going to take the string and start at the bottom and tie it. It's tied around, then I'm going to crisscross it all the way around until it's all put together. Okay, so that's literally it. Just wrapped it around, and I'm just going to leave mine in a bow because after it's dry, I like to take it off. You know, you can make whatever size or thickness you want. You can use whatever herbs you want too. You can use like rosemary or whatever. Of course, I love or mugwort, like this one is, or mix them up, or even put some cedar or juniper or something like that. Just get creative. But that's literally all you need, just some fresh herbs in the garden. And then I will just hang it kind of like that. And then it'll probably dry. You know, it just depends on climate and stuff, but anywhere between 1 to 2 to 3 weeks-ish. So there you go, super simple. Okay, and just wanted to share with you a couple more, like mugwort, sage, of course. This is a different type of sage as well. Wormwood right here. They look very similar to the mugwort. And mullein I'm going to put in there with the sage. And then peppermint and lavender. For those of you who don't know, these are smokable as well. So yeah, get creative and have fun, and yay. Okay, so this is the one I made earlier, and then these are the mint and lavender, and then these are the two different types. Come on, Pekate. I gotta fight her. Of sage, rosemary, mugwort, wormwood, and mullein. So talk about purification here, and I just put the mullein on the outside and then showed the rest of the herbs on the inside. All right, that's it. And so for like wet herbs like this, you're going to want to use the dehydrator, put it on like 95 or whatever. So I'm about to do that so I can protect them from Pekate.